Yes.
Today
We are going to do planting.
good. Okay, so we have here a pot of mint plant.
What's this one?
Correct? It's a pot of mint plant, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to do some cuttings to grow another mint. So you will cut it at the top of the nodes. Alright, this is where you cut. Okay, so about this length of the mint plant is okay. Okay, so you can actually pluck off the leaf to let it more
Go sugar.
area for rooting, right? And you put them in a cup of water, just like that. So you can put it in here. This one,
This one for me.
this length. Put it inside. So previously we have done some cutting. So after a few days, this is what you have. The cuttings already started to root, alright? And we're gonna do the potting now.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Take it.
Dig.
Dig a little hole.
Dig. Like it. Like
Just put it here. And see. Okay. And just press it down.
Press it. Put some water.
Okay. And then you water the plant.
There.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you
On
have
top.
another pot of mint plant.
Yay, look. We can plant more.
Okay. So what do we have here?
We have some green beans. And we got water of bowl. We even got a towel. And we got a donut.
Bucket.
A bucket.
Bucket. Okay. We have.
And a big bowl.
Yes, we have all the items we need. So what you're gonna do to grow Beansprout? You have some green beans. Alright.
Some green beans.
So you can pour it inside.
Pour inside. It's a lot, right? See?
So this is what you have. Okay.
Look.
And it's for the easy rooting of the Beansprout and easy collections.
What else?
So
Okay,
after
this
that you pour
Okay, pour some
water,
water.
just enough to cover the green bean. Pour. Right.
Okay.
And just spread them out evenly. And you take a damp cloth and cover it. And you leave it for 3 to 5 days. You
Yeah.
have Beansprout.
Yeah.
Leave it in the shade. Okay? Right?
Leave it in the shade, right?
Okay, good job. Right. So there are some of the other spices that we grow from seeds, right?
Yeah.
We have lime and chili padi. Right? And both need full sun to grow.
Look, the next one is a big one.
Wow, we have some basil,
Some basil is very tall.
right?
Nice.
Okay,
Very
and
nice.
we're gonna do a simple fertilizing with eggshells.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do is you can crack the eggshells.
Crack. You crack all the way through. Okay, let's crack this one.
Just crack it in the bowl.
Water.
Crack it further.
Further.
Yes.
Okay, right.
Smaller.
See?
So you sure?
Look at that.
Where's that?
Right.
So the next day after crushing the eggs, what you're gonna do is you're gonna dig some gently dig some.
Soys.
Yeah, up.
Okay, so we
Just sprinkle. Okay, cover back. Okay. So this is the natural fertilizer we have